Hello friends. So we will learn how to enable macro in an Excel workbook. So first of all, you should be able to open that VBA editor, VBA, what we known for Visual Basic for Applications. So one option we can go by clicking on the View menu. Then we will go to Macros, then View Macro. Here, if you have any macro available in this particular workbook, will be visible here. But before that, we should be able to view the macro screen. To do that, better you enable developer tab. How you can see here we have file, home, insert, page layout, formula, etc. All the menus are available. Similar, we can enable developer tab. Now let us see how we can do that. First, you go to File tab. Then you come to Options. Then you come to Customize ribbon. Once you come to Customize ribbon, on the right hand side, you will see Developer. Just tick this checkbox and click OK. Once you do that, you will see one Developer tab will be available. You have multiple options available here, but all options are not required as of now. We will use Visual Basic. Once you click on the Visual Basic tab will appear. Similarly, you have Excel button here. If you click on the Excel button, again you will go back to your Excel